Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain drag and drop pivot report. Let me show you how it will works. So here I can give you three options like configuration, drag and drop, and saved reports. Okay. So when you click the configuration, here I have shown the interactive grid. Okay. So here you can able to configure the data source. So right now I'm giving two options. One is using the REST API, another is using the SQL query. If your application belongs to the same instance, then you can able to given the SQL query here. Okay. So if you want to access any other data sources using this application, obviously you need to use the REST API. Okay. Also, I have given the REST API format how your JSON data should be. Okay. Okay. So already I have configured two SQL queries. Also, I have configured one REST API. Okay. So once it is done, you need to go to the drag and drop pivot report. So what are the report names which has been created in the configuration menu? It will be listed down here. Okay. Once you have selected this, in the left side, you can see all the fields, okay, based on the SQL query or REST API. Okay, so here also I have given the options of aggregate field, aggregate type, and you can able to search it the word. Okay, also I have given the option of to download as Excel format. Also, you can able to save this changes of this report. Okay, so let me show like I'm going to drag the department name into the row fields. Okay, once you have dragged into the row fields, you can able to get the results. Okay, now I am going to drag this job into the column fields. Okay, now you can see based on the department what are the job names. Also, you can able to get the results in the aggregate field. I'm going to change as salary sum. If you select as a count, it will give you the count. If you give us a sum, it will give you the count. Sorry, sum. So in the search field, you can type your question word. Automatically, it will come here. Okay. Also, it will give you the highlight option. Even though it will go for search of, for example, I'm going to search of 4151. Okay. It will give you the results. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more layer of pivot. So I'm going to drag this location to column fields. Now you can see it will automatically create as two pivot header. Also, it will display the results. Okay. Likewise, you can able to drag a number of fields into the column field section. For example, I'm going to drag as a higher date to here. You can see there are three level of reporting options here. Okay. Okay. Now you can also drag this column into row fields also. You can remove it here. Also, you can able to see the results. Okay. Okay. Now, now I am going to save this report as the same template. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click the save. Okay. I'm just give us sample employee report. Okay. Click OK. So once you click OK, this particular template report will be saved under saved report section. So you can see the template, whatever we have dragged and put it there, you can see the results here, right? So it will become here. Okay. Um, okay. So if you want to download that, that is also possible here. Okay. You have to click the download and do the download. Let me show here. For example, I'm going to select as the name, location, job. Okay. Now I'm going to click as download. Okay. So it will be download as the same Excel format. Let me show you that also. Okay. You can see the results. So still it is in the beta version. I'm going to try to improvise a lot of options here, like adding one more layer of charts, like a drag and drop charts, also giving us planning to give us a filter by individual columns. Okay, so still it is in WAP state. Okay, so I will share this endpoint, share this application to you for to play around. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.